Hi guys, if you're looking for a work sponsor visa in UK, this is the right site to go to. So I'm going to drop this website on the description. So whenever you click on it, it will bring you to this page. And the first page, when you click on it, it will show you a page that you will have to click on sponsor job. You will see sponsor job. You have to click it. When you click it on the right hand corner here, you'll see get started with free account. You sign in up. I already signed in, so I'm going to log in. So hold on, I'm going to log in so that you see which particular company is available for sponsorship. So I'm going to sign in. So when you sign in, you're going to see a filters. You're going to see this particular page immediately. So you come on recommendation job. When you click on the jobs, it's going to show you a filters that you feel. You feel the kind of job, the category that you are. Either you are an entry or a mid or a senior in your particular area. But these are my particular area that I choose. So after I filled the filter and I submitted it, so you will now see the companies in UK that are available for sponsorship. So you can see senior communication manager, planning, cooperating, and insight. The visa sponsor very likely visa sponsorship mentioned in this description. So if you want to go for this job, there is a visa sponsorship on this particular company on this particular job. So engage in involvement lead public health. So these also have sponsorship visa. These also have these also have you check anyone that does not have you will not see this you get so you have to bypass it and on this particular site you can still work remotely because there are options that shows remote jobs so you can also work remotely so you need a good CV to apply for job. All the best. If you like this video, please subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop any amazing video like this, you get notified. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.